The forest is not a resource for us. It is life itself. It is the only place for us to live. Forest. Forests are part of our life in more ways than we realize. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly on the theme Forest precedes mankind, desert follow. Dear friends, on this planet, forests were in existence much before the coming of a man. We all know that if forests will disappear, deserts will follow. Clearing of forests regularly will convert our grasslands into deserts. Dear God, we are grateful for the forest of the world. We pray that we will be supportive to the efforts made to protect forest. And it's time to pray to God. Let us start today's morning assembly by remembering God. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, dear God, help us to change the world in good ways. After pledge, someone truly said, it's much easier to create a desert than a forest. Dear friends, man in his recklessness destroying trees and making lands barren like deserts. We must keep in our mind that if we will take away the forest, it is not just trees that will go. The entire ecosystem will begin to fall apart. And let us move to the next part of today's morning assembly, that is thought of the day. And for today's thought, I would like to call Shreya from class 6th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shreya. Today's thought is, what we are doing to the forest of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another. And the meaning is, forests and trees have been integral part of human life from primitive society. They provide us with many benefits necessary for survival. Gandhiji once said that this planet has sufficient for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. If we would cut more trees, do we know what is going to happen is that more cutting would face deterioration of Earth's atmosphere. So, we have to conserve them so that as we used the trees, the future generations can also use. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Shreya, for such a nice thought. Adding new words means expanding our vocabulary. And now I would invite Rihanna, a student of class 5th, to share a new word with us. Good morning to all of you. My name is Rihanna. Word of the day is thicket, and the meaning is a dense group of bushes and trees. And synonym of this word is copse and antonym is open place. And I am using thicket in a sentence. He hid in a thicket. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Rihanna, for sharing a new word with us. Dear friends, trees are crucial for mankind, and theme of today's morning assembly shows that God put trees on earth before human to create hospitable conditions for him and his prosperities. But man is making the land barren like deserts. And in such condition, one day human will also disappear. Let us think and plan something before forest will become desert. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Take position for national anthem and start. And today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.